Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, we are happy. Our video has been on the go with an overwhelming response from you all. This is our second meeting. Hi, AK7 doll. I'm happy meeting you again. So are you, I hope. What's your message to our viewers?
Hey guys, it's your girl Kazendal TV, and hopefully all of you guys are doing well and taking care of your family members and friends. And yeah, I'm basically doing very well, and I'm also very happy to meet you, Mr. KonjaneramEnglish.
Thank you. Okay, your experiences during this lockdown.
Okay, during the pandemic, my experiences are like, okay, yeah, I've met few people on the internet and they've been absolutely big meanies to me, but that doesn't stop me from keep on just making new friends, blah, 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 chatting with them, yeah. And also, I feel very neutral on the pandemic. I don't have like a hatred feeling like, oh, we should just like, oh my god, the pandemic shouldn't even exist at this point. Like, no. I just feel neutral on it. I'm pretty used to being in home right now, so yeah.
Nice. By the way, what's your suggestion to the public?
Okay, I have two suggestions or tips you could say.
Okay.
So, first thing is don't wear a mask under your nose. You're going to spread the virus even more and you don't want that, but except you are still doing it without even knowing it. Anyway, don't put it under your nose like those Karens like, oh, I'm not wearing my mask. I'm going to cover my mouth. There, can I breathe? Oh my god, masks are so disgusting. Don't be those people. Okay? Just wear your mask like a normal human being. It's fine. You can remove your mask later. So, alright. Make sure to use these sanitizers, okay? It's very important. I'm not going to be using it, but make sure to have these sanitizers to keep your hands clean. Not too much, or else you get dry hands. They won't stay nice as clean as you think. Okay, I think it's 3 suggestions now, or tips you could say. And the next tip is, if there's like way too many people there in like the room or in the place that you're in right now, make sure to like, just throw your mask in the dustbin so that like if the people that you contacted or just like, that you met in that room or place, the germs won't get all of your face and get into your lungs.
Beautiful.
So it's better that you throw them in the dustbin.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, by the way, do you have any favorite singers?
I listen to like some singers. Like I don't listen to Justin Bieber. Next, I don't know how to say their name, but it starts with an S. Next is I listen to mostly all of them, but I don't have a favorite.
Okay.
I like all the music.
Okay, good. Can you sing a couple of lines?
I'm not sure who made this Daisy Bell song. Yeah.
Come on.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer due. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built for 2.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Thank you.
By the way, would you like to become a singer in the future?
I would like to be a kid for now because I have no future jobs. I just want to be a normal kid. I'd rather not be the adult world as a kid. That sounds weird. I'd rather be in the adult world while I'm an adult. So I'm in the kid world right now because I'm a kid.
Okay, can you please suggest to me a grammatical mistake which many people commit?
Oh, I also committed this mistake. It's mostly people say like, oh, hey guys, I'm going to discuss about. Like, see, don't say discuss about. If you just simply say discuss, it means you're discuss about. That means you're going to discuss about something. So don't say discuss about. I already said discuss about. I told you that I also make this mistake.
Okay.
Even though I know this grammatical mistake, it means that you're saying discuss about. Twice about.
Okay, I understood. You meant
Yes.
discuss is equal to speak about. So if you say discuss about, it means speak about.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, by the way, how do you feel now?
I feel very funny, very laughable.
Good. Okay. We'll meet next week, right?
Right.
Hi, viewers. Thank you.
Bye. Mwah. Love you all. Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.